The Samsung HW-S801D Soundbar Bundle offers a sleek and ultra-slim design that seamlessly integrates into any home decor while delivering exceptional sound quality. With its advanced Dolby Atmos technology, this soundbar provides an immersive audio experience that brings movies and music to life with 3.12-channel surround sound. The Q-Symphony feature allows for a harmonious audio experience by pairing the soundbar with a Samsung television, optimizing all audio channels to work as one cohesive unit. Included in the bundle are two high-quality Deco Gear 4K HDMI 2.0 cables and a Monoprice universal soundbar bracket, ensuring easy installation and connectivity. The package also features a comprehensive 26-month protection plan from Deco Gear, which includes accidental and burn-in coverage for peace of mind. This soundbar bundle comes with all necessary accessories, including a subwoofer, remote controller, wall mount kit, and power adapter, making it a complete and convenient audio solution.